Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we will show you a rare species indeed. The rare Terrier Terrier. He's such an adorable puppy that you cannot say no to this face. That's how he tricks you. I am here in this doggy's rare habitat. His only home and his rarest of all. Here we are in the beast's lair under a bed. You can see this is a cat, but now I shall show you its true habitat. A rare habitat indeed. Followed by a fan which keeps him cool, and the sun window keeps him warm. Let's take a view of this dangerous but incredible beast. Here I am in this incredible Here I am in this incredible beast's home. I'm going in, but I don't think I might survive. Here we are in the rare Terrier's home lair. It's weird and unusual. Wait, I think we spotted the rare beast. Yes, we have a terrier like no other. This beast's canine senses would tell him to attack if he wanted to. But he won't, because I know him. Now then, let's get a close-up look at this marvelous creature's face. Indeed, a beauty like no other. This rare beast's name is Trigger, and his face is as cute as a dumpling. See, as I press closer to his ear, it starts to move. This beast may look dead, but he's not. He's much alive. See this beast? He's a killer. He will kill you in one gaze. Here I am, out of the terrible beast's lair. I made it out alive, but hardly. He bit my leg. I could hardly walk. My breath was intense. So I had to run quarter mile away from this terrible beast, back to my home. This has been another adventure with the Joel, Australian explorer. Have a good day, mate. Have a good day, mate.